How can you study the mind? Why do people make errors in judgment, like falling for internet scams? Do we think with pictures? The University of York brings you this short online course on cognitive psychology, the area of psychology that attempts to explain how we think, reason, and remember. We will introduce you to this experimental science, and you'll learn about the methods that we use to study these mental processes and representations. In fact, you'll set up and run your own simple experiments. You also find out what those methods have taught us about how we solve problems and make judgments in the real world, and also how, and indeed if, we think in mental images. In this course, we'll try to answer questions around this fascinating area. How can we study something as subjective as the workings of the mind? What methods can we use to study how we think and remember? What is the psychology behind our common mistakes and bias in our thinking and judgment? Can psychology help us avoid simple everyday errors? Do we think with images? Can these mental images help us solve problems? What do we know about how the mind holds images from the real world? Join us as we try to answer these questions and take your first steps into the exciting world of the study of the mind.